We are preparing for our longest trip so far.
Hello.
And this is Nitin. He is loading the car and he has installed Xbox right here for the kids to play. And I will go around the car and see if I can show you the screen. That's the game, Indiana Jones, which they love. And another thing we added for this long trip is these supports. In long trips it was difficult with booster kits for kids to relax, so this will help them put their head on and give them support. And this is easily, you can move up or down depending on how you want to adjust, according to kids' height. So we have this installed in both our car seat for kids. So we are looking forward to the new edition and see how that goes. Stay tuned.
Xbox here, and that is connected to the inbuilt TV. And
right now we're playing.
Headphones.
So right now we're playing Xbox 360. And pause it.
Which game you are playing?
Game 1. Indiana Jones.
Indiana
Gosh, she
Jones.
stopped.
So this is what they are playing, and they have their own. You can see that their own heads.
Let's go.
We are not able to hear their game sound, and we can play our own music at front side, through which you can actually adjust the volume here. So the volume only in the front, the volume is coming, and they are using their own headphones. That's the Xbox.